Hello guys, what I'm gonna show you today is how you can make your game look better inside of Monster Hunter Wilds, okay? And this is actually gonna be a separate tutorial or a separate setting on the tutorials that we already gonna cover on the graphic settings of Monster Hunter Wilds that you can change in-game, okay? This is gonna be something separate, all right? What we're gonna do actually is we're gonna download what's called a high texture or a high resolution texture pack, which is actually free. The problem with this is that you need a lot of VRAM. Actually, you need at least 16 gigabytes of VRAM because, as you know, this game is not very well optimized, okay? But if you actually have this is going to improve the quality of the texture, and it's going to remove that, that blurry tone or that blurry aesthetic that this game has, really, because, it's not the best game in terms of graphics, to be honest. But with this texture, with this high resolution textures pack, you're gonna be able to get, more quality and more detail. Okay, so you wanna go to Steam, and now you wanna click on to your library and go to this game here, which is Monster Hunter Wilds. And now you wanna click onto DLC, and here you wanna click onto Monster Hunter Wilds High Resolution Texture Pack, which is gonna be in the feature page. And if and if it's not here for whatever reason, you can always go to browse and you can manually look for it here. Okay, high resolution texture pack. So let's click on here, and now you're gonna click on download. All right, and now this is gonna take a while. This is gonna be actually some gigabytes. Once it's downloaded, you have to go to your game, to the menu, and you have to go to your graphic settings and to texture quality. And you need to set the texture quality to highest in order to activate this, okay? So just make sure that you set your texture quality to highest, all right? So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much.